Well, hello everybody. I just got done putting my Hogworkz quick disconnect mount for a Tourpak on my 2007 Heritage Softail. It took me a little bit longer, but you know, I'm just a dumb old truck driver. And I wasn't sure. I've never done it before. And it was not really hard at all. And there's one thing I like about it. As you can see, they come with these knobs that hold the top of the saddlebag on there. That's nice. Now, there's this nut, so you still do need a tool to take off the saddlebag. But how often do you do that anyway? And this thing looks great. Now I still have to select a Tourpak. I was thinking maybe one made by Viking Bags. It's fiberglass, but it's covered in leather, so it somewhat matched the saddlebags. It doesn't have the studs on it, but that's okay. I can live with that. But I'm very happy with the Hogworkz quick disconnect Tourpak mount. Like I said, it was easy to put on and it looks great. It's almost a shame to cover that up, but overall I'm very happy with it. And as always, everybody have a good day.